I thought that my shock was possibly going bad, but the nuts were coming loose on the lift kit on the rear, and there's something that I thought possibly could happen, as the lift kit is like a hard rubber, like a hard polyurethane, so it will squish just a little bit over time, and I think that's what's caused. I mean, this side is the only side I hear. I may check the driver's side after this, but not the greatest of views. But it feels really loose. I shouldn't say really loose. It was just a little bit loose, and I'm pretty sure that's where the clunking was coming from. Besides that, I had no other issues with the lift kit. I don't know, I still may change the rear shocks, just because I changed the front ones. I'm gonna check out the driver's side in a little bit and see if they're loose as well. So this one is a bit loose as well. Let's see. Like, it wasn't really tight at all, so I'm guessing anybody else who does the lift kit is going to have to, later down the road, just check the tightness. And I can't remember exactly when I installed this. I want to say it was a year ago. Yeah, probably, yeah, a year ago.